Hey guys, it's Heidi and I am here with the Adidas Adilette Aqua slide. Aqua meaning great in water, right? Okay, so check this out. We've got this nice pre-loved fig color. That's exactly what it's called. It has a pinch of purple to it, but not much at all, okay? So what these slides are great for is if you have children or you yourself play sports and you don't want your dirty cleats in your SUV or car, truck, whatever you might drive, you make them put these on first, okay? They're gonna look great with their athletic wear, their sport pants, their sport shorts, their baseball pants, softball pants, whatever. These are unisex, okay? So yes, they have a great flex. Wear these to the pool, wear them in the shower, wear them outside, because you know what? If they get muddy, you can just hose them right off, okay? So these are a great slide, highly recommended. You've got the original Adidas logo. If you like logos, here you go. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, check the links in the description. I'll see you guys later. Bye.